Question of second one belong to debtors. And given credit sales is given, total sales is given. As a given percentage of credit sales, cash is from debtor, sales, as is then also given, discount allows, bad debts. Right, first one by using percentage, try to calculate credit sales. Think effect for data only credit sales. Effect for data only credit sales. Therefore, by using percentage, try to calculate credit sales from the beginning. Therefore, here, try to calculate credit sales. Therefore, credit sales. Percentage is given. Therefore, 950 into 90%. Value equal 855,000. As 850 into 80%. Value equal 680. Next one 750 into 60%. Value equal 550,000. Think total sales is given. By using percentage, try to calculate credit sales. Try to calculate credit sales. Right, then calculate total value. Calculate total value is columns. Think total value should be recorded in the general ledger. Total value. First one by using percentage. Try to calculate credit sales. Right, opening balance total amounts. Think opening balance total value 24,000. And think purchase total value also. Think purchase total value also. 3,750,000. And calculate credit purchase also in total amounts. Credit purchase total value equal 2,809,000. And cash is from data also. Calculate total value. Cash is from data. Total money equal 2,580,000. And sales return also. First one, calculate total values. 52,000. Journal total values will be recorded. I think this is the total value. Yes, not given credit sales, but total sales is given. And percentage also given. By using percentage can be calculated credit sales. Then the total sales minus credit sales, cash sales can be calculated. The right calculate cash sales also. Cash sales can be calculated. 3,750,000. From that can we deduct 2,809,000. Think 3,750,000 minus 2,890,000. Therefore 860,000. Think 860,000 equal. Therefore this is the cash sales. Think what cash is also. You have to know how to maintain general ledger and sub ledgers. There are more creditors available, more debtors available. Question number second one, deliver for debtors. Right now, prepare the ledger account in the general ledger. Think total value to be recorded, total value. First one, prepare general ledger. Journal total value to be recorded, journal total value. Effect for data only credit sales, but think it has given cash sales also. You have to consider only credit sales. Right, prepare the ledger account general ledger. Prepare the ledger account general ledger and debtors ledger. In general ledger, you have to prepare sales accounts, debtor control accounts, sales return accounts, discount allowance, assets bad debts. Then think how to prepare debtors ledger also. There are 5 individual debtors available. Therefore, you have to maintain debtors ledger also. You have to maintain debtors ledger also. Question of second one. Second one, prepare ledger accounts, sales accounts. As the sales return accounts, no more space, discount allowed accounts, bad debts accounts. And data control account, more space, data control. Think in the general ledger, this one sales accounts, and sales return accounts, sales return. Then cash receipt data available cash accounts, discount allowed accounts, discount allowed, assets bad debts available, prepare bad debts account also general ledger, bad debts. And this is the data control accounts. Think journal total value to be report control accounts. Then prepare individual debtors account in the debtors ledger. This one debtors ledger. Individual debtors account available. Record values in 1000. Individual debtors accounts. 5 debtors. Prepare debtors accounts. There are 5 debtors available. Prepare 5 ledger accounts. And you have to prepare data list also. 5 debtors. Prepare 5 ledger accounts. And think data list also should be prepare debtors ledger. Data list also prepare debtors ledger. Name and amounts. Data list. If those are correctly recorded, data control account balance should be equal data list balance. By the name of debtors, Sadhana, Amasi, closing balance also should be calculated. Rithmika, Venuri, and Situmi, individual debtors accounts. Right now, total amount of journals to be equal to general ledger. Think double entry system to be applied general ledger. Therefore, journal total value should be equal to general ledger. Think how to maintain general ledger. Data is assets. Opening balance should be equal data control account debit side. Opening balance. Debit side as a balance brought forwards. Think opening balance is equal to 24. Then total sales is given. Total sales is given. But you have to consider only credit sales. Effect for data credit sales. But the cash sales also available. Cash sales not effect for data. But it is effect for sales accounts. Think double entry. Credit sales total value 2890. Credit sales total value 2000. 890, debtors account debit as a sales. And sales account credit 2,890 as a debtor. As a debtor, control accounts. Think double entry. And think total sales is given 3,750. From that value deduct credit sales. Difference value equal cash sales. 860. The cash sales not effect for debtor. It is not effect for debtor control accounts, but effect for cash and sales accounts. 860 cash sales, cash account debit as a sales, and sales account credit 860 as a cash. In sales accounts, credit as a cash. Credit cash sales. Total sales is given and credit sales calculated, difference value cash sales. Right. Then think cash receipt from debtor. Journal total value should be considered. Cash receipt from debtor total amount equal 2,580. 2,580. Cash account debit as a debtor control. And debtor control account credit as a cash 2,890 as a cash. Think cash control account debit, debtor control account credit, cash sales. Cash receipt from debtor. Cash receipt from debtor. Cash account debit, debtors account credit. And think sales return also given. Sales return is given. Total will be equal 52,000. Sales return account debit as a debtor control. Think as a debtor control. Debtor control account credit 52 as a sales return. Sales return account debit, debtor control account credit. Discount allowed also same way. Third 7. Discount allowed account debit as a debtor control. And debtor control account credit 37 as a discount allowed. Think discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. And think bad debts also given 26. Bad debts account debit as a debtor control. And debtor control account credit 26 as a bad debts. Think bad debts. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Double entry system should be applied only generally. Journal total value should be recorded. If those are correctly recorded, debtor control account closing balance should be equal debtor balance also. Think how to maintain general ledger. Now think individual debtors also available. Complete individual debtors account also. Here there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Single entry system. Debtor is assets. If asset increase, debit side. If asset decrease, credit side. Effect for debtor increase only credit sales. Therefore, credit sales to be for debit side individual value and sales return, discount allows, cash receipt from debtor as well as bad debts. Effect for debtor decrease should be recorded credit side. Right now, think opening balances should be recorded debit side as a balance brought forward. First one record opening balances as a BBF. Record balance in 1,003, 7 as a BBF. Opening balance, assets, debit side. Think how to prepare debtors ledger also. Opening balance should be recorded debit side as a balance brought forwards. Opening balance. And think sales effect for debtor increase should be recorded debit side, sales, only credit sales. But here is given total sales is given, but you have to consider only credit sales. When that totally gone back, you have to consider only credit sales. Think credit sales value by using percentage calculate already. By using percentage calculate already. Therefore, credit sales should be reports, debtors accounts, effect for debtor increase. Right, individual value should be recorded. Individual value. Think effect for debtor increase, debit side as sales. Think only credit sales 855 as sales 680, not total value. Think you have to consider only credit sales. You have to consider only credit sales as sales. Debit side. And January 520 as sales 385 as sales. Debtors account debit effect for debit increase. Think single end system to be applied. And cash receipt from debtor effect for cash decrease credit side as cash. Cash receipt from debtor credit side as cash. Effect for debtor increase credit side as cash. Think single end system to be applied. Double end system to be applied only general ledger. But sub ledgers there is no double entry. You have to apply single end system. And think sales return also given. Effect for debtor decrease as a sales return. Sales return credit side. Effect for debtor decrease. Individual value should be records. Individual value. Think sales return also. Effect for debtor decrease. Sales return. And think discount allowed also. Discount allowed also. Individual value should be recorded. Individual value. Discount allowed also effect for debtor decrease. Credit side discount allowed. You have to calculate closing balance also. You have to calculate closing balance also. Think about discount allowed. Effect for debtor decrease. And last one, bad debts. Think bad debts also effect for debtor decrease. Think bad debts also effect for debtor decrease. They have to be record credit side. Individual value, bad debts. And given bad debts value, effect for debtor decrease as a bad debts 2000. Bad debt 6,000. $5,000. Think single end system effect for debtor decrease credit side as a bad debts 8,000 and 5,000. Individual values to be recorded. Individual value. Think how to prepare data list also. Effect for data increase only credit sales, but cash receipt from data, cash receipt from data, discount allowed, bad debts, and the sales return effect for data decrease, single end system. Then calculate closing balance also. Calculate closing balance also. You have to prepare data list. Think single end system to be applied. Data list. Here double end system to be applied. General ledger, but data ledger there is no double entry. Single entry system. Right now, calculate closing balances. Asset debit side increase normally. Think debtor risk balance should be equal. Debtor current account balance. This is the data list. This one data list. Name and amounts. Name and amount. There are 5 data available. 5 data, 5 name. First one, Sadhana, Amasi, Rhythmika, Venuri, and Situmi. Think how to prepare debtors ledger and debtor list also. If those are correctly recorded, debtor current account balance will be equal, debtor list balance also. Now calculate closing balances, debit side increase. Therefore here 858. Take same value other side, 858. And difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore here balance equal 89. That value as a carry down. This side brought forwards. Should be record list also. Data list. Amasi debit side 687. Same value credit side 687 minus. Think here balance equal 33. That balance should be record debit side also as balance brought forwards. And should be record data list also. 452. Take the same value credit side. 452 minus. Think difference will be equal 20 as a balance carry down. And debit side as a balance brought forwards 20. Think when only debit side increase 529. Take the same value credit side 529. Think difference will be equal 44. Balance carry down. And balance board for debit side 44. Think debit side increase. Take the same value credit side. And difference value 33 as balance brought forwards. Think what 33. Then list balance take total value also. Calculate total value 219. If those are correctly recorded, data control account closing balance also should be equal same value. Data control account also balance carry down. Data control account also balance should be carried down. If it is correctly recorded, closing balance should be equal list balance. Think data control account closing balance should be equal data list balance. Complete control accounts. Here there is mistake. Think cash is equal data 2580 venona. Cash account debit, debtors account credit here value 2580. Think cash account debit 2580 here also 2580. Cash account debit, debtors accounts, sorry, cash is equal debit. Control account balance should be calculate control account balance. Think balance A equal 219. There would be a difference A equal 219. As a balance carry down, and think balance brought forward also same value. Balance brought forwards. Think control account balance will be equal this balance. Double entry system to be applied only general ledger. Think double entry system. There is no any individual debtors account here. All the individual debtors accounts should be removed from the general ledger. We have named a separate ledger for debtors. It is called debtors ledger. But in the general ledger, we have to maintain control accounts. Data control accounts. Journal total value should be recorded in the control accounts. But individual debtors account available debtors ledger, single entry system to be applied. The debtors ledger cannot be prepared trial balance. Can be prepared debtor list. If those are correctly recorded, debtor list balance will be equal debtor control account balance. When we control එක balance එකයි list එක balance එක හරිනම් equal වෙන්න ඕන. ඔන්න මේකේ තියෙන theory part එක තමයි when we have to maintain ledger, double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Single entry system. It means if data increase should be recorded debit side, if data decrease should be recorded credit side. Think double entry system as a single entry system. Next the question of fourth one. Think about question of fourth one. See the question of fourth one. Sometimes there's only control accounts. Sometimes there's only control accounts. See the question of fourth one. That given balance is from the beginning debtors ledger. Balance of sales ledger accounts, debtors ledger accounts, it is called control accounts. Balances of sales ledger accounts. Total amount is given. That is a debtor control account balance. Normally debtor control account debit balance available, but there may be credit balance also. Normal debtor is asset, no, we can see debit balance, but there may be credit balance also. And given total of sales journal, sales return journal, receipt check and cash from debtor, discount allowance, and check return also given, check returns, and contra entry, very important, of debtors in the sales ledger, again creditors in the purchase ledger. Contra entry, it means same person available as debtors and creditors. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කොටසක් ගෙවන්න ඕන එයාට. එයාගෙන් අපිට කොටසක් හම්බෙන්න දෙනවා. ඒතර අපි කරන්නේ හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණයි ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණයි සෙට් ඔෆ් කරලා දානවා. contra entry කපලා දානවා. එකම person කෙනෙක් same person available as debtors and creditors. ඒ කියන්නේ මම වටිනාකමක් එයාට ගෙවන්න ඕන. එයාගෙන් මට කොටසක් හම්බෙන්න දෙනවා. ඒතර හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණයි ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණයි සෙට් ඔෆ් කරලා දානවා. contra entry. Effect for debtor decrease and creditors also decrease. Double entry, debtors account credit, creditors account debit, contra entry. And interest charged from debtor, on interest එකක් charge කරන්න වෙලාවට සල්ලි දෙන්නේ නැති නිසා, if it has given interest charge from debtor, it is also effect for debtor increase. And given closing credit balance also, closing credit balance, there's debtor control accounts, debtors control accounts. Debtor control account sales ledger control account කියන්නේ තේරුමයි. Sales ledger control account කියන්නේ debtor control එකටමයි. Only debtor control there's. Think debtor is asset, normally we can see debit balance, but there may be credit balance also. Think how to play question on fourth one. Think about contra entry available as a check return also available. Check return Question number fourth one. There's only data control accounts. Prepare data control accounts. Question number fourth one. Question number 4. Prepare data control accounts. First one, draw the format like this. This one, data control accounts. Data control accounts. Only one digit on there. Data control. First one, balances available both side. Normally, debit assets. We can see debit balance. Debit side as a balance brought forwards. If it is given credit balance should be referred credit side as a balance brought forwards. Credit side as a balance brought forwards. It is given balance in 1000 to maintain understandability. Disclose balance in 1000. Now the journal total value should be recorded. Journal total value. Think there may be credit balance also. On data slide, credit balance in full one. Record given information. Journal total value should be recorded. Things total amount of sales journal 308,000. Debtors account debit as a sales. Debtors account debit as a sales. And sales return journal. Effect for data decrease credit side as a sales return. As a sales return. And receipt check and cash from debtor 210. Cash account debit, debtors account credit 210. Cash receipt from debtor. And then discount allowed also given. Discount allowed 10,000. Discount allowed account debit, debtors account credit. Think double end system. Discount allowed account debit, debtors account credit. And think check returns. It is given check returns. Think double entry. For සල්ලි අපිට හම්බුනොත් cash account debit, debtors account credit වෙනවා. අන්න ඒක අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා. check return කියන්නේ හම්බෙන check එකක් ආපහු return වෙලා. එක්ක බැංකුවේ සල්ලි නැහැ. අපි බැංකුවේ දැම්මම check එක return වෙලා. debtors වලින් සල්ලි හම්බෙනකොට cash account debit, debtors account credit වෙනවා. එහෙනම් return වුණත් අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා. cash account credit, debtors account debits 12,000. As a cash. As a cash. Brackets online check return here. Check return. But double entry cash account credit, debtors account debit. Contra entry 40,000. Contra entry same person available as a debtors and creditors. ඒ කියන්නේ මට හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණ මමත් එයාට ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණ. එතන කරන්නේ හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණට ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණෙන් අඩු ගාණෙන් කපලා දානවා. set off කරලා දානවා. Contra entry. What is the double entry? Debtor control account credit, creditor control account debits. Now මෙතන අපි දාන්නේ creditor control account කියලා. Effect for debtor decrease as a creditor control value equal 40,000. Brackets වල ඕන දාන contra entry කියලා. Contra entry within brackets. Same person available as debtors and creditors. तरह ගෙවන්න තියෙන ගාණයි හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාණයි set off කරලා දානවා කපලා දානවා. Debtors account credit, creditors account debit. Double entry. Both debtors and creditors decrease. Next one, interest charge from debtor. Interest charge from debtor. Effect for debtor increase. ඔන්න වෙලාවට සල්ලි දුන්නේ නැත්නම් interest එකක් charge කරනවා. Therefore it is effect for debtor increase. Should be for debit side. Interest charge from debtor 2,000 should be for debit side. That is income. Therefore here as interest income. ඉතින් වෙලාවට අපිට සල්ලි දුන්නේ නැති වුණොත් එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්නේ? interest එක charge කරනවා. It is also effect for data increase. Debtors account debit. If they ask only control account, think how to compare. Think debtors normally we can see debit balance, but there may be credit balance. And given closing credit balance also 3,000. Closing credit balance as a balance brought forward credit side. That value as a balance carried down from debit side to credit side. If it is given closing credit balance, credit side brought forwards and debit side as a balance carried down. Think how it records closing credit balance, then balance, closing debit balance can be calculated. Debit side increase normally, take debit side total amounts. Debit side normally increase, take debit side total amounts. Equal 455,000. Take the same value credit side and difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore, here will equal 153,000 as a balance carried out. That is a debit balance. There are more debtors available. Some debtors we can see debit balance, some debtors we can see credit balance. There may be credit balance also. Think credit balance. Data control accounts. Total amount of journals to be recorded. Very important check returns. And think contra entry. Interest charge from debtor. වෙලාවට සල්ලි දුන්නේ නැති වුණොත් අපි interest එක charge කරනවා. Contra entry කියන්නේ same person available as debtors and creditors. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කොටසක් ගෙවන්න දිනවා යාට. එයාගේ කොටසක් අපිට හම්බෙන්න දිනවා. අන්න ඒ ගන්න set off කරලා දානවා. And think check return also. අපිට check එකක් හම්බුණා. Cash account debit, debtors account credit. ඒක return වුණොත් අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා. Debtors account debit, cash account credit. Think question number 4. Then try to answer question number 5 also. Question number 5 relevant for creditors. There's creditor control accounts. Question number 5, there's creditor control accounts. They are prepare creditor control account also. Creditor control accounts. This is the debtor control accounts. Question number 5, creditor control. Same way, prepare the accounts. There's only creditor control accounts. Question number 5. Question number 5, creditor control accounts. Creditor control. Record balance in 1,000. Think credit is a liability. Think about credit purchase, purchase return, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts, contra entry, and check return available. Right, first one record opening balances. Question number 5. Credit is a liability. The credit side as a balance brought forwards. Normal creditors we can see credit balance where is given 60,000 as a brought forwards. But given debit balance also, creditors there may be debit balance. Normally we can see credit balance. I will discuss later. Investigation can be seen debit balance. Then journal total value. Only balance එක දාලා ගන්නකොට දෙපැත්තෙම තිබුණොත්. And purchase journal credit purchase 590. Purchase account debit, creditors account credit as a purchase. Purchase account debit, creditors account credit. Think about purchase return. Purchase return account credit, creditors accounts debit, purchase return. Cash paid for creditors, cash account credit, creditors account debit as a cash. Think cash paid for creditors. And discount is given 24,000. Income discount receipts. Discount received account credit, creditors account debit. And think contra entry. Think content double entry, debtor control account credit, creditor control account debits. අඩු වෙනවා creditors ලා. set off කරලා දාමු අපි. හම් වෙන තැන ගානයි ගෙවන්න තැන ගානයි. Content effect for credit decrease 55,000 should be recorded debit side as a debtor control. Double entry as debtor control. Within brackets contra entry. Within brackets contra entry. Think double entry here contra entry. It double entry debtors account credit, creditors account debit. Effect for debtor decrease and effect for credit decrease. And check return for checks වලින් ගෙවුවොත් එහෙම cash account credit, creditors account debit වෙනවා. ඒවා return වුණොත් අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා. Creditors account credit, cash account debit. ප්‍රමාණ checks වලින් ගෙවුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. Cash account credit, creditors account debit. ඊළඟ return වුණොත් එහෙම අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා. Creditors account credit, cash account debit. The check return as a cash account debit, creditors account credit. Check return will be equal to 22,000. මෙතන brackets වල යන්නේ check return කියලා. Check return. And next one, interest charged by creditors. For creditors වලත් වෙලාවකට ගෙවන්න බැරි වුණොත් interest එක charge කරනවා. Therefore interest effect for credit increase. Interest charged by creditors effect for credit increase. Therefore should be recorded credit side 6,000. Credit increase as interest expense. Therefore should be considered as expense. Then given closing balances, creditor normally we can see credit balance, but there may be debit balance. There may be debit balance. Think debit balance is given 13,000. That should be recorded debit side as a balance brought forwards. As a balance brought forwards. It should be balance carried down from credit side. Think creditor normally we can see credit balance, but there may be debit balance. If it has given debit balance, carry down from credit side to debit side. Then take credit side total amounts. Credit is a liability. Normally we can see credit balance, but there may be debit balance. There may be debit balance. There 691. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Calculate difference value. Therefore, PA balance equal to 206. Therefore, this is credit balance. Normally, creditors we can see credit balance, but there may be debit balance. If they are control accounts only, very important contra entry effect for debtor decrease, creditors decrease. Interest charged from debtor, interest charged by debtor. And think check return also. Check returns. If they ask control accounts separately, you have to know how to prepare control accounts. Think general ledger, sub ledgers. Part of lesson 4. Sub ledgers available only individual debtors and creditors accounts. Only individual debtors and creditors. Double entry system to be applied only general ledger. Debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Single entry system. Think if those are correctly recorded, debtor control account balance will be equal, debtor list balance. Creditor control account balance equal, credit list balance. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය debtors ලාගේ credit balance එක කියන හේතුව තමයි debtors වල discount එකක් දීලා ඒක consider කරන්නේ නැතුව සල්ලි දීලා ඔක්කොම. creditors වල දේවල් කරන්නේ. ඒක සාමාන්‍ය credit එකේ liability එක credit balance එකක් එන්නේ. නමුත් debit balance එකක් එන්න හේතුව ඒගොල්ලෝ discount එකක් දීලා ඒක consider කරන්නේ නැතුව සල්ලි කරා. අන්න ඒ වගේ ලා තමයි credit balance එකක් එන්නේ. Think how to prepare control account also. Think control account should be prepared only general ledger. Sub ledgers there is no control accounts.